You guys, you are back from evening market.
Yeah. Is this blue? Meda. Yeah, Meda.
Thank you. Come on, shut up. No, my husband, come on, carry the rice. May I hold on? I'm holding this one. They say this one is Nigeria Gadi egg, you guys. I don't know. We buy groundnut to look if it's Gadi egg. Anyway, see you guys later. My husband will bring the bag of rice. Make the first carry the atta. The atta, they will stress around the atta. They made them. I'm going to bring them because my hand there. May I carry the rice now? Waiting. Only go carry them. Not first. Atta. Yes, I did. No light to move enter house. Evening market. Chimo. Hey. Whew. No light. No light. I've been now on light. Okay, let me flash my husband from this. Since he want to go carry rice. Let me on lights here. Oh, Jimmy. Let me see my husband lift this bag of rice. Let me see my husband lift it. My husband, the actor. The actor. Okay. Omena power. Omena power one. Ndonam. You guys, after cooking birthday party food, our rice is not that much again. I decided to buy again so that we'll be eating. See you guys later. Good night. Okay, let's watch this man drop it. After wine. Not after wine. See this one after today. So I think this one finished like 5 kg or 3 kg. I don't know. But we'll just have to buy extra anyway. Sugando. Alright, later we arrange. Everybody go. No, so not to go back. It's a duster now. Anyway, you guys, good night. So see you guys later. Bye. Some of the things we buy from this evening market. So this one is it. My sister said this is what does it call Gadi egg? Me, I don't know. Hey, let me open it. How this thing can be Gadi egg? I don't know. I will wash it now and taste it. Me, I'm taking this is that cooking Gadi egg, but she said a normal chopping Gadi egg, something. You guys, I don't know. Let's wash. For me, I don't think it's Gadi egg, lots. Let's see, check.
Papa, give me.
You guys, it's strong, it's bitter, it's having pepper, something like pepper taste. So confirm if it's Gadi egg in the comment section. Okay. See inside. So confirm. Okay, let me know in the comment section if it's Gadi egg. Okay, we'll try to eat it with the granite, yeah. We purchased granite.
No.
Let me check it again. Let me see.
Oh no.
It's like it's much, you know. No. This one is scratching. No. You guys, this is not Gadi egg. It's scratching my tongue. Like my tongue now is scratching me. It's not Gadi egg. No. It's not Gadi egg. I think this is that one they used to cook. Hi. Nah. It's not got the egg, I beg. No need to confirm. It's scratching my throat. It's scratching my tongue. I only cook it for sauce. I use it to do sauce later, but eating it natural, you know, na no go area. Car.